Hi again, beautiful people. So as you know, every wash and go is not a success. Today, although my hair looks decent, this wash and go is a fail due to the way my hair feels. When this happens, the best thing to do is put your hair in a style that protects it and also looks nice. Today, we are going to do a messy bun. So what you will need is a brush, water, gel, some bobby pins, and something to hold your hair. I will be using a headband. So I think I'm about to start my hair, but then I see we stop for a dance interlude. Okay, back to business. So I'm not sure why I pulled my baby hairs forward because I end up brushing them and taking them out again later. So here I'm just showing that I'm using a brush for my baby hairs also. And I'm dancing again. And I'm brushing around and still dancing. Okay, now I'm gathering all the hair up in one hand and trying to see where I want the bun to go. All right, definitely not focused on this hairstyle right now. More water. All the dancing is probably drying the water out. So, like I said, this was a failed wash and go, so my hair did not feel moisturized enough. It felt heavy, so that's probably why I was adding all the water. And now I'm adding the gel. The gel I use is the Ecostyler Argan Oil Gel. It's the one with the red top, and it's like a yellowish colored gel. So you also have to add the gel in the back because you want everything to be nice and neat. So after you have the gel added to the back, you brush everything, and then you hold your hair tight with one hand and you grab that headband. Make sure you're holding your hair tight with the one hand that you're not using to make the bun. I double the headband and I make the bun. This doesn't always work on the first try, and it's never perfect. You just have to fix it as you go. So as you can see, I'm still dancing and unfocused. So when you decide that the bun is good enough, you will use bobby pins to hold down any parts of the bun that are sticking out too much. Grab the brush again and brush around the hair to make it as sleek as you need to. Now time for the baby hairs. Sometimes this is a real struggle for me unless I'm not in front of a camera and have nowhere to go. We will fast forward this part because the other side was rough. Use a silk or satin scarf on your head for a little while just to keep everything in place.